Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to share how to plan a photography shoot in Notion, the 2025 guide. Firstly, you need to create a new page in Notion for your photography shoot planning. This will serve as your main hub for all things related to your upcoming shoot. This step is essential because it helps keep all of your ideas and tasks organized in one place, making it easier to manage your project. Now that we've done that, let's move on to setting up a table for your shoot schedule. Include columns for dates, locations, models, and any other relevant details. The reason we do this is to have a visual overview of the shoot schedule, which can help in better coordination and time management. Next up, create a mood board on the same page. To do this, you can utilize the embed block in Notion to include images, videos, or even Pinterest boards. This helps us because it gives you and your team a clear visual direction, ensuring everyone is on the same page about the shoot's aesthetics. Now let me explain why this matters. Notion's all-in-one workspace allows you to keep all these elements in one place, streamlining your workflow and making it easier to share your plans with your team members. The final step, but not the least, is to use Notion's task list feature to assign tasks to your team members. Include the task, who is responsible, and the due date. This ensures that everyone knows what they need to do and when, helping your shoot to run smoothly. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Notion is effectively acting as your project management tool, keeping everyone accountable and ensuring all tasks are completed on time. And there you have it. A simple and efficient way to plan a photography shoot in Notion. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to a successful and well-organized shoot. That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in, and as always, happy planning.